I am continuing my project of trying to research and preserve and sing and celebrate music from the Pacific Island heritage. Last year I did two pieces in Maori, the beautiful language of Aotearoa, New Zealand, and it was a wonderful experience to be able to look at that music and sing it for you all last year. This year, as Roy said, I am singing a piece in lovely Hawaiian about a lawn sprinkler. Now, how did this come to be? Well, the story goes that the Queen of Hawaii, Her Majesty Queen Lili'uokalani, sat on her lanai at her mansion one day, and she looked to her neighbor's lawn, and she saw a lawn sprinkler. And back in those days, lawn sprinklers were not necessarily a big thing. It wasn't a common part of everyday life. But she looked upon this lawn sprinkler and thought, I'm going to write a song. Now, this is one of Hawaii's most celebrated, most famous composers. She was a brilliant musician in her own right, and she composed a lovely tune that sounds like a lovely, lovely love song. But in fact, I am singing, "Oh, lawn sprinkler, could you please slow down so that I may drink from the water stream that cometh from thee." This is Wiliwiliwai.